Welcome to Brew Daddy, the best app to discover coffee shops, review them, and connect with other coffee lovers. Find which shop meets your needs by looking at feedback at each coffee shop. View average ratings of things such as food quality, coffee quality, noise levels, work friendliness, and overall ratings. See questions and answers asked by others. Write reviews. Choose ratings. View the review breakdown. See about what people are rating it. Upload images. Explore. View your own page and see reviews you have given. Edit your own information. Or create a new shop. Choose whether you're open, you deliver, pick up, or order online. Edit your own shop whenever you need to. Or delete it with ease. Search based on location. Ask questions or answer. Edit questions. View others' pages. See what coffee shops they own. And reviews they've written. Thank you for viewing our site. We all want to thank Nick for being our project manager.